Welcome! In this video, I will show how to manage materials using add, replace, and remove material. Let's start by choosing a material from the Extreme PBR library. Having selected an object and pressing Add New, we will add a material to the object. It is added to the material list and automatically applied to the faces if no material is present on the object. In this example, I am adding various materials onto objects in the scene. As you can see, every time I add a material, it is immediately displayed on the object, because the objects in this example do not have any other materials. As you can see, it is displayed on the object and added to the material list, which is this area here in the Extreme PBR interface. Adding a material to the object is simple, as you can see. Now let's see how to replace an existing material on an object. To replace a material, let's choose a material and use the Replace button. The material selected in the materials list will immediately be replaced with the one chosen from the material library. Replacing the material is really simple. And now let's move on to removing the material, which is really intuitive but hides additional features. Using the Remove button, we'll remove the material selected in the material list, which can contain multiple materials. The button, in addition to removing the single material, can also remove all materials contained in all selected objects. To remove all materials from all selected objects, simply press the Shift key on your keyboard and press the Remove button. Once pressed, a pop-up will appear. Press OK to confirm. As you can see, this shortcut removed all materials from the selected objects. With the Add button, we can add the same material to multiple objects, as long as those objects do not already have one or more materials applied. So it's simple. Select the objects you want to apply the same material to, and press the Add button. The same material instance will be applied to all objects. If you were on the Shader Maker preview material, the Add button changes its function to Auto PBR. It allows you to import your own textures from your computer in a single click. The system automatically recognizes the maps, such as color, roughness, normal, displacement, and instantly creates a complete, ready-to-use material without you having to manually connect nodes. There is also a shortcut method to do this, without needing to be on Shader Maker Preview. As you can see from the tips pop-up, you need to hold down the Shift key and press the Add button. And this will open the file browser so you can add your textures. We can also add a basic material. To do this, simply hold down Alt and press Add New. This adds a very simple material, just a principled BSDF without textures. This is useful for having a quick material where you can edit the simplest properties such as color, reflections, roughness, and all the properties of Blender's native principled BSDF.